The Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, in conjunction with Zenith Bank Plc, has organized a financial literacy program for students to acquaint them with various financial skills such as personal financial management, savings, budgeting, and investing. The training program, conducted at the Professor Adamu Abubakar Rasheed Twin Lecture Theatre, was also designed to build a solid financial foundation and stability with a view to encourage students to imbibe the culture of saving money for the rainy days. The program was conducted under the leadership of Zenith Bank Branch Manager of Unity Road, Kano, Mr. Abdullahi R. Abdurrahaman. During the program, the students were trained on personal financial topics such as budgeting, emergency funds, saving for the goal of actualization, investment, and donating for positive societal impact, among others. During a question and answer session, a student from Nursing Science Okpata Favour Amarachi, who emerged with the best presentation, went home with the prize of 50,000 naira. Other highlights of the program included questions and answer sessions and quiz competition, while the winners of the competition were awarded prizes ranging from school bags, reading lamps, and designer wristwatches. In his presentation, Zenith Bank Marketing Manager, Mr. Samuel Moka, spoke extensively on the importance of developing financial literacy as a life skill, while exposing the students to various templates provided by the bank, which the students can exploit to breathe life into their dreams. While stressing the significance of the program, Moka also emphasized the importance of empowering students with the skill and knowledge necessary to make informed financial decisions. Earlier in his remarks, the president of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, lauded the bank for organizing the program. He specifically commended the branch manager, Mr. Abdullahi Abdurrahaman, and Eniola Hassan of the Retail Marketing Unit for their efforts to ensure the program became a reality. He tasked the student to actively participate in the program and make the best use of the knowledge they acquired to achieve financial stability.